legal issues. We're also going to touch on some practical issues that you should know before you delve into this area. When we talk about social media, we're talking about a pretty wide range of things, including sites like Facebook and blogs and Twitter. We're also talking about promotions in which you ask people to create content on your behalf, and even lower tech things like when you give consumers products and you ask them to review them and say good things about you. These are all have some differences, but one distinguishing factor between this, the new social media, and the traditional media is that the control is a little bit more decentralized. Whereas before the message was generally coordinated tightly by the company, now you're turning control over to other people who are speaking on your behalf. Obviously there's a number of benefits to this. I think the biggest one is that it is a quick and relatively inexpensive way to communicate with people. Whereas in the past you might have to spend a lot of money and a lot of time getting out a marketing campaign, now you can probably reach the same or even a larger audience with just a carefully worded Facebook post or tweet. The downside, though, is that by turning over control of your message to other people, you lose some of that control yourself. And you may not like what people do when they're speaking on your behalf. So, for example, what they say might injure your brand, and you might even be held liable for the things that they do. So with that background, today we're going to cover some of the key issues that we've found on social media promotions over the past couple months.